Hi everyone, right, I'm back with another kit. Again, I've got 3. This one is £22 because there is an awful lot in this one. There was a lot in the other one, but this is £22 plus shipping. And for that, what you're going to get is, I mean, these, we do sell these, I think these are about £4.99. It's absolutely beautiful. Beaded 3D flowers on a tool, but like an appliqué. So you're going to get that. There will be one dangle bit that's, it's on an earring, but you can take that off and just use that as a charm. I've put this ones where she's got her legs a different way, but there's each one's got one of these, and they're like pixie, whatever you got, what do they call her? Oh. Is it Pixie? I can't remember what her bloody name is now. But you've got one of those anyway. Can be painted. I've put some stickles in. Black stickles. You've all got it. And the reason is because it's not black when it goes on. I don't think so anyway. But I like the glitter in it. And you don't know. I don't know what you want to use it for. These are random kits, remember. Again, I've shown you this in the last one. This is a Tropic Red. But it's beautiful, beautiful luster, and it's thick cut. Has a gorgeous pearl luster to it. So you're getting that. I've chosen a random picture. You know, the others might be different, slightly different. So that's that up to now. I'll do the bag in a minute. I've put some pearl, again, that's 6mm pearl in. So you've got that with 2 lots of braid, like a braid. This is a vintage one. And then the dark brown one. Chinese braid. I've put these in. There's 2 or 3 meters, not meters, yards on each. I think it's 2 yards on each. And they make gorgeous little flowers. This is super soft. Then you've got that one with the stars and eyelets in. And then you've got that one. So you've 6 meters there. It is meters, I think, actually. We've got the satin, or the silk, should I say, beige ribbon. So you have a yard there. Might even be a metre, I can't remember. Then you've got those 6 flowers. So if you're making a flower, you can put those in the centre. Then you've got the crochet trim, which is gorgeous. Oh, good metre of that. I've added this in because you can paint it. You can cut it into different, you know, like if you wanted a square or strips and use them to decorate and then paint over them on your, you know, making a border. This one, again, this is one of my all-time favourite laces. It does make a really, really nice flower. I've added 6 butter, what we call butterflower, butter colour. Roses, they're the really firm ones. Then I've added this trim. I'm trying not to undo it because I've got to pack all this. That one. Then again, oops, I've just looked. The Nottingham lace in the cream as well. Ooh, I've just sat here patiently wrapping all this up. There we go, so we've got that one. I put that one in again, which is the cotton eyelet. We've got the edging, like a chiffon. We've got a little bit of flower, the pink and white trim. I've tried a new light. I've got a strip light Ray put in for me, so I don't know whether it's working. It looks bright enough. That one. I'm just going to move those bits out of the way and bring these bits in. We've got the doilies. You might get different doilies and then a patch. Now, with me, I just cut around there and used that, but took that out and put a picture in it. So it was like a lace frame and then put bead all around it. So it's up to you what you do with it, but you've that one. I've put in a good 12 inches of the, it's a gorgeous, gorgeous tassel. Superb quality. And all I've done is just sellotape the ends. When you take the ends off, just do it careful so you don't pull it off. Cotton doily. Some of the doilies are different, but a lot of them are not, if you know what I mean. Just an applique thing that you can glitter up and whatever. Put some pearl things on. Another doily. And like I say, these doilies go on internet, on eBay for about, oh, I don't know, this one alone will be $5.99, something like that. This is beautiful, good, really good quality. Look at that. But I've got hundreds, dozens. Everyone's got a clock. Now I did for mine on one project was cut that out, didn't waste it. I cut it out with a knife and made that into a frame, and then I had the clock as well, and it does have the hands on it. So you've got that. I've put in the tag, 4mm cut tag, and a 3mm, I think it's, or 2mm. No, that's 2mm, that's 4mm, I think. Yeah. Spool. So it's already got a hanger, you can make it into something. And then I've added a picture, everyone's got one of those pictures. A card, just a gift card. You might as well send a gift to somebody and use the card. And the last thing, apart from the bag, is, I'm going to put a picture in. We won't use that one, we'll just see what else we've got. We've got those for the others. Oh, there's my phone. I'm looking for my phone. And then the last thing, like I said, this is £22 for this kit, but you're more than worth it. More than worth it. You're getting lots in here. Oh, some pearly trim. That pearly trim. The leafy one. I think it's, yeah, 3 white and 3 pink of the pearly bows. 2 foam roses, 1 pink and 1 white. One of the Zibbet roses. Oh, and it's already, oh, you've got more. So you've got these as well. So you've 12 roses in this kit. Some of these bags, these were pre-packed. They were going in a kit, and we sold lots of kits, but then I stopped doing these. So what I've done is I'm making a kit to go with these, basically. So I'm not altering them. If you get 12, you get 12. Simple as. So there's that. The pin butterfly, which you can take that off if you want. Some diamante trim, which is the AB. Not going to try and say it because I can't. Aurora Borealis, something like that. A nice kilt pin. My granddaughter the other day asked me what that was. I said it's a kilt pin. She went, "What's a kilt pin, Nana?" I went, you know Scottish people wear kilts, and she went, "What? Them men wear them skirts?" I went, "Yeah." So she went, "Oh, right." I said, "And you put that at the bottom and it holds the skirt down." She went, "Oh, right." Bless her. She didn't know what one was. Selection of buttons. Charm that you can hang. And then, what did I do with the pins? I don't know what I've done with the pins. You do get 6 pins and 6 of the roundels. What have I done with the pins? Oh, let me just get them. Sorry, I thought I had them. I did think I was sure I put pins out. Anyway, you're getting 6 of the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 of those. Okay, so that's the kit. It is £22, more than worth it. Like I say, we sold these for £3.75. I think you buy these in the shops for about £1.99, £2.50, something like that. These are over £1 a piece. Pictures, I sell these in the shop for £4.50. You know what I mean? So you've more than enough. But because this is my own personal stash that I'm never going to use, so I might as well share my bit of luxury, hadn't I? And give you a good deal. So like I say, £22, more than worth it. Plus shipping. If you're interested, let me know on this video. If I do have your details, please say it in your comment. But mind you, I'm saying that it makes no difference, because sometimes you use a different name on your PayPal to what you do on your YouTube, and it takes me ages to find you. But hey ho, that's the kit. Thanks for watching. Take care, and I'll speak to you all soon. First come, first serve. Thank you. Bye.